Hi guys, so I'm in bed. Oh, it's gonna be an awesome day, yeah. So today is Valentine's Day. I'm super happy about it. So this year I decided I am not gonna be sad. I'm still gonna celebrate Valentine's Day. I honestly think I'm gonna have a great time. Self-love, you know, needed. Always. I mean, I'm pretty much just gonna do the things I would do in a relationship, but by myself. It's gonna be sick. To start off with, I've woken up, gotten ready. Usually you would, you know, cuddle with your partner, just all the kisses and cuddles in the morning, tell each other how much you love each other, but no, I think that's just, it's just so basic, you know? You know, you wake up and you cuddle and you kiss, like everyone does that. But waking up by yourself on Valentine's Day, I mean, that shows independence, I think. So I guess the first thing people do on Valentine's Day is get flowers, right? Yeah, who doesn't love flowers? Not me. I love flowers, I love getting flowers. But you know what's even funner than getting flowers? Buying them for yourself. So let's go do that. Let's go buy myself flowers and have the best Valentine's Day ever. Ah, yes, self-love. Yeah, oh my god, okay. I'm so happy I came this early on in the day because literally as I was leaving the store there was only one left. Okay, so I was thinking what else I could do today, and I thought something that which could be really cute, which I actually saw the queen of YouTube, Emma Chamberlain, do, is just to make chocolate covered strawberries. Because who doesn't love chocolate covered strawberries? Super cute, super romantic. Oh my god, that is a good chocolate strawberry. Sorry, I'm concentrating really hard. I'm killing it with these strawberries, I'm sorry. I'm freaking master chef. Chocolate melted so well. Everything is just going so well, to be honest. Right, everyone, last strawberry. Yay! Guys, I genuinely feel so sick from that chocolate. I don't think I can eat those chocolate strawberries for a long time. So I still feel ill from the chocolate, but that is not going to ruin my Valentine's Day. If anything, I think you're meant to feel sick from all the chocolate that you've been gifted or ingested. So I thought the next activity we would do together is just take a scroll through Instagram and just see all the wonderful relationship posts, you know? Okay, straight up we have cute couple kissing in the water. Gross, honestly. Who would want to kiss in the water? Imagine all the salt that's getting... Oh my god, who's that person in the background? Hold on. There's a person swimming. That's me! Actually, I love that. I really like that. We got another cute couple. in front of the water, also just kissing. So my camera died, but you guys get the point. Couples are so cute. In today's world, we all know if you don't post it, it didn't really happen. So I took a photo of my flowers, obviously, so we can upload that to my story just to make sure everyone knows I'm having a really, really awesome Valentine's Day. Let's just write, being your own Valentine is expensive. I think that's a great message. Yep, cool. Posted. So now everyone knows I'm also celebrating Valentine's Day. They also do know that I bought myself the flowers, but you know what? Who's to say that makes it any less cool? No one. I have heard no one say that to me, so. Okay, so I'm in Byron because I wanted to get myself a gift before my workout class for my next thing, but I'm sitting in my car and there's like a hectic fight going on with a couple just like 2 cars next to me. They're like shouting at each other and he's like, I reminded you about Valentine's Day, and she's like, she's angry. Oh, he's still he said, why would I be angry for taking your lunch? Guys, this is serious coupling. Oh, Valentine's Day is not going well for them. But anyway, the couple is gone. They drove off really scary. I'm really hoping that they're not going to get into a car accident because they pulled out really, really fast and I know they were both just fuming. Oh, a bird just shat on my car. Can you guys see that? That is a serious, that literally, yuck. I guess that's meant to be good luck or something, but ew. Oh, okay, anyway, at least that's not on me, but still I'm gonna have to clean that, so. I work out every day and I don't have a sports bra, which is ridiculous, and I've wanted one for a really, really long time. So we're in Byron. I'm gonna hopefully try to find a sports bra I like and then gift it to myself as a cute little Valentine's Day gift. Okay. Alright, hold up. So I just walked around all of Byron in the heat and apparently there's only one shop that stocks activewear. Weird, so weird. And I just didn't find anything that I really loved. So I think I'm gonna have to leave that today. So today I'm enjoying my strawberries. Sadly, because I didn't have baking paper, I just put it straight on the plate, which means, yeah, that happens. But, I don't know. Otherwise, they're good. You just have to, it's so sad, like, so much of the chocolate's just left behind. But, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching what I did on Valentine's Day. I had a lot of fun. It's so nice to celebrate love and just like treat yourself, and definitely something I want to do more often, not just on Valentine's Day. It's also great to use it as a day to just be a bit more loving than usual to yourself and others. Bye.